everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, Helena's How to Cook European and More. And today we're making a very simple entree or a starter, which is a Camembert cheese that we're going to heat up in the microwave, or you can do it in a smaller frying pan if you prefer. And we're going to accompany that with a marmalade or with a jam. Frambuesa. Let me find the translation for that one for you, okay? Okay, I don't have a translation for it, but if you look carefully, you will see the kind of berry on the can here, okay? In Spanish, we call them zarzamora with a Z, okay? And I'm going to take some of these out. Put into this plate here. And we're putting some water on. And we're going to start mixing this up to make it a little bit easier touch to it. A little bit more simpler, like a sauce more than a jam. Okay, this will make it. This will be about it. And we're taking the Camembert cheese, the full one, and we are putting that one in the middle. And now we're going to put this into the microwave for about, I would say, a minute and a half. Okay, this is it. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Please give me that like underneath. And oh, this is so delicious. You have no idea. And you can share this with, let's say, 4 people. And leave me a comment, something I can go in and comment back on. Okay? It was great working with you today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will see you next video. Bon appetit!